This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the brake pads in pairs on both the left and right sides of the vehicle. Never replace the brake pads on just one side. The dust created by the brake system is harmful to your health. Do not inhale any of it, and never use compressed air to blow out the brake dust. Use brake system cleaner only. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise and support the rear of the vehicle securely on jack stands. Block the wheels at the opposite end to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Remove the rear wheels. Work on one brake assembly at a time, using the assembled brake for reference if necessary. Before disassembling the brake system, position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Again, do not use compressed air and do not inhale any brake dust. Remove the upper and lower caliper bolts. Then remove the caliper from the mounting bracket and hang it securely out of the way with a length of wire. Be sure not to put any stress on the brake hose when hanging the caliper. Remove the inner and outer brake pads. Remove the top and bottom pad support plates from the mounting bracket. Pull the upper and lower guide pins out of the mounting bracket. Clean them, then lubricate them with the film of high temperature brake grease. Reinstall the pins securely into the mounting bracket. To make room for the new pads, use a suitable tool to slowly rotate the piston clockwise, pressing the piston all the way into the caliper. If this special tool is not available, the piston may be able to be rotated with a pair of needle nose pliers engaged with the notches in many instances. With the piston fully seated in its bore, ensure the notches in the piston align with the pins on the back of the inner brake pad. When doing this, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise, so make sure it doesn't overflow. Remove some brake fluid with a syringe or suction gun if necessary. Install the new pad support plates to the caliper mounting bracket. Install the new inner brake pad, then the new outer brake pad. Install the brake caliper to the mounting bracket. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to 20 foot-pounds. After the job has been completed, firmly depress the brake pedal a few times to bring the pads into contact with the disc. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts, then safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 111 foot-pounds. Refill the master cylinder reservoir to the indicated lines with the proper type of new brake fluid, to compensate for fluid if it was taken out previously. Check the operation of the brakes carefully before placing the vehicle into normal service.